and welcome to today's class. Today we'll be making body oil. There are so many benefits to using a body oil, and some of them are it's deeply moisturizing. It really locks in the moisture, especially when you use it after getting out of the shower or out of the bath and you apply it onto your damp skin. It's very nourishing. Oils are incredibly rich in essential fatty acids, in omega-3 and 6 and all of those, vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It also repairs the skin and improves the texture, and it has anti-aging effects, which is amazing. And this is because of the antioxidants in it. Helps combat free radicals, and it's so good for you. So today's recipe, we're going to make a 100-gram batch. There are so many different oils that you can choose from depending on the needs of your skin. If your skin is oily, if it is dry, if it is sensitive. So do the research into which oils you would like to use. They're all available at Fun with Soap. And yeah, let me show you what we're going to be using in our recipe today. So for today's recipe, we are using the following oils. We are using sweet almond oil, which is light and easily absorbed. We are using jojoba oil. This mimics our skin's natural sebum, which is incredible. It's one of my personal favorite oils. We're using fractionated coconut oil. This is lightweight and incredibly moisturizing. And we're using the incredible and powerful rosehip seed oil, which is very rich in vitamins and antioxidants. We're also then going to use our essential oils, which we've chosen lavender, frankincense, and geranium. We then need some gloves, something to mix it in, our scale, and finally we've got our jar that we're going to put it in. So let's get started. So before you start, also remember to please sanitize the area you're going to be working on, put your gloves on, and sanitize all the equipment that you're going to be using, as well as the containers that you're going to be putting your final product into. So here we go. We're going to turn on our scale, and we're going to start by adding 80 grams of sweet almond oil. This is for a 200 grams batch of oil. Now we're going to put 60 grams of jojoba oil in. We're going to put 40 grams of fractionated coconut oil in. And we're going to put 20 grams of rosehip oil in. And now our essential oils, we're going to put 5 drops. I'm going to actually just take this off the scale now, and we're going to add 5 drops of lavender. Lavender is calming and soothing and smells so beautiful. We're going to add 5 drops of frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is regenerative and anti-inflammatory. And we're going to do 5 drops of geranium oil, which is balancing and toning. Now we're going to just mix it all together, and that is how easy this is when you're just combining the most incredible oils together and choosing the right combination and pairing that with some really amazing and powerful essential oils. So luxurious. Okay, so now we're going to put it into our bottle. Okay, so now that we've mixed this, we're going to add it into our bottle. Our bottle has been well sanitized, and this is a 200 ml bottle available also at Fun with Soap. So everything you need can be bought in one place, which is amazing. So there we have it. You've just made a beautiful body oil. It is nourishing, it is moisturizing, it is healing, it is anti-aging, it helps with hyperpigmentation. It's just incredible. So many incredible oils with so many incredible benefits in one bottle. Hope that you've had fun, and we'll see you again next time.